So here we're going to take a look at creating the basic Google Sheet. So I'm going to go inside of Drive, and I want to be inside of the correct folder where I make it. That way I won't have to move it afterwards. So I'm inside of Tech Ventures, inside of my Dig the Data. I'm going to click on the New button and choose Google Sheet. First thing it asks me to do is to rename the sheet. I'm going to rename this with our formatting of our first, followed by our last name, followed by party planner. And this will be your hour and your last name. In step number 2, it says title 3 columns, name, number invited, and number attending. This is going to be called my header row. So here in cell A1, I'm going to put name. Here I'm going to put number invited, and here number attending. Third thing it asks me to do is list all of the families, neighbors, and groups under the name. And I'm going to get that information from the assignment by clicking on the link where it says as shown in this example. All of that same information is also described in the description in the assignment as well. So here I simply want to take the information from this table, and I'm going to put that information in my Google Sheet. So I'm going to come over and say my family, hit enter, Grandma and Grandpa, Aunt Lucy, Uncle Gus, Aunt Frances, cousins, and ping pong team. And here what you'll also see is that Grandma and Grandpa and Uncle Gus and Aunt Frances, this text goes bigger than what the cell is. So what I can do is if I move my mouse between cell A and B, I get the double arrow. I can just simply click and drag, and that's going to make this column accommodate the text. And here's where I'm going to come in, and I'm also going to use this same table for the number of invited and the number attending. So when I'm done with this first step, my Google Sheet should look like this here.